3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was so fun. Oh, that was so good.
Kevin, jump.
It's sketch.
I don't care, jump. Either jump or climb down. Just get down from my roof.
Throw some balls, Kevin.
Fuck you. You want to see mine? Balls out for the boys.
Kevin, go. There you go, dude. Let's go. Do it. Chug it. Is it empty?
It's cold. Brain freeze.
Is it empty?
You got a brain freeze from chocolate milk.
It's cold.
Is it empty?
It's almost empty. There's like one swig.
Do it. It's 2 swigs? 2 swigs, okay.
You lied, kiss.
Bastard.
Because it was all foamy.
You're foaming, guys. It's a cat.
Give me some ramen, gay boy.
We're gonna do the 24 hours in a pantry
Kevin, you're
challenge.
actually gonna eat that.
Kevin, did you just...
I didn't know what I was expecting, but it was not that. That was nasty.
Stop.
Stop using it. Kevin, no! Kevin, you got it all over me. I know I missed that. Okay, so we're just gonna film our walk, okay? Sarah, please edit this and just keep as much in as you think's appropriate for the internet. Kevin, what were you saying?
Okay, we gotta introduce.
Oh wait, let's
we gotta
introduce each
introduce
other.
the video.
Okay, we are the Roadhouse boys. This is Case. Smile for me, Case. This Case. This is Kevin. He's the one who's saying she thinks my track is sexy. He played guitar. I played bass.
This is how to resuscitate a dog 101 with Kevin.
What is resuscitate?
Kevin, what do you think resuscitate is?
You grab the jugular.
No.
Oh, also all you have to do is you stick your finger in their mouth and go like that.
Okay, so Kevin was like, how to resuscitate a dog.
You sound like a smoker, Kate.
And the first thing he said was you had to grab the jugular and yank it.
Because Kevin's a fucking idiot and doesn't know what a jugular is. What's up with you and showing everything off your ass, Kate?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Here we're gonna do some ASMR.
So Kevin is about to snort this. It's instant ramen.
Oh wait, when do I add this chicken?
Kevin, stop. Eat it now. Kevin, eat it now. Not that. Not
Eat it or
snort it, I mean.
this is like 20 lines.
This is a lot of ramen.
I can literally see the salt. Taste a little bit of your ass cracks out. It's kind of hot. Hold up, let me add some flavoring in here.
No, Kevin, piss off.
My eyes watering a little bit.
Sarah, this is the Roadhouse Boys again, and we're gonna walk down a hill
You talking to Sarah.
in a pair. Because she's gonna edit this for us.
Does she know that?
Yeah. Okay, Kevin, you ready?
Slowly, slow.
Kevin, tuck your head in. Kevin, you're gonna eat something. Hey, Kevin. So Kevin's gonna go from here. Kevin, I'm gonna go show them where you're going to. Let's get going, Kevin. You in?
I'm in. What's up, boys? We're gonna die right here. Someone please tell my mother I love her.
Kevin?
Yeah?
Oh, tuck your head in, like a lot. No, like keep it in. Okay, Kevin, you ready?
Yeah.
Shit. You sure?
Praise the Lord, yeah. I'm gonna die right here.
Okay. Goodbye, Kevin. Kevin, tuck your head in. Kevin, you're gonna hit. Kevin, keep going, keep going, keep going.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Oh, no.
No.